Hey there, I'll be showing you how to create viral motivational videos using AI. Today, we will be delving deep into the realm of motivational videos that have taken TikTok by storm. These videos have played a pivotal role in amassing nearly 1,000 followers for a particular page. The secret to their success? Utilizing dark backgrounds, employing AI-generated videos, and crafting captivating captions. Moreover, we will guide you through the process of producing similar content tailored for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. We will take you step by step from drafting a compelling script and selecting the right visuals, to editing your video to ensure it truly captivates your audience. And stay tuned till the end, as we have an exciting strategy to boost your earnings. Let's kick things off by dissecting the crucial elements that contribute to the allure of these videos. Before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. So, let's get started. In the art of crafting captivating motivational videos with a dark theme, it is essential to grasp the defining components that set them apart. These videos exhibit shared characteristics that captivate their audience. First and foremost, they employ dark backgrounds to establish a mysterious and cool atmosphere. Layered upon this canvas, an AI-generated voice narrates the content, lending it a distinctive quality. Additionally, they include captions to keep viewers engaged and facilitate comprehension of the message being conveyed. Essentially, these videos leverage a combination of dark backgrounds, AI voice narration, and captions to elevate the overall viewing experience. Now, it is time to get down to business and kick things off with a script. We are fortunate to have access to powerful AI tools such as ChatGPT, and we will make the most of this technology to generate 10 motivational quotes that revolve around the theme of Stoicism. Stoicism provides a practical framework for leading a meaningful and virtuous life. However, feel free to replace it with motivational quotes from Greek philosophy or any other philosophy that aligns with our theme, similar to what we have seen earlier. Once you have got your quotes, you can assemble an engaging script. With the script in hand, let us proceed to create a compelling voiceover. Head on over to 11 Labs, where you can craft a distinctive voice for your video. Simply input your chosen quote into the generator, but don't hesitate to customize it to add a personal and emotional touch. Include an extra sentence that makes it feel like you are speaking directly to your audience. Select a voice that matches your desired style. Once you are content with your voiceover, click Generate to hear the result. Now, let us set the mood with some motivational music. You can discover a variety of popular motivational tracks on platforms like TikTok. Alternatively, to sidestep any copyright concerns, you can explore royalty-free options on platforms such as Pixabay or the YouTube Audio Library. For example, on Pixabay, you can easily search for motivation to sample music and select the one that perfectly complements your video. If a particular piece of music resonates with you, simply click the download option. Moving on, let us concentrate on gathering captivating images. We can explore websites like pixabay.com, pexels.com, and mixkit.co, all of which provide an extensive collection of free-to-use videos and images. If you are keen on crafting custom images, AI image generators like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and various others can be incredibly valuable tools. I have created multiple tutorials in my videos showcasing how to generate images using these platforms, so I highly recommend giving them a watch. As an example, the image you are currently seeing was generated using Midjourney. It is worth mentioning that this image is static, as it is a still picture. Should you desire to infuse motion into such images, tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML excel at animating your creations. Nevertheless, as demonstrated in the earlier video, adding motion to static images isn't always necessary. These images can be utilized as is for our motivational video. Remember, we only require one image for our video, so creating a multitude of images is unnecessary. With all the essential components at your disposal, it is time to dive into the video editing process. Import your voiceover, images, and music into the video editing software of your preference. Personally, I have found CapCut to be an excellent choice for my video editing needs. It is not only completely free, but also excels in the video editing department. If you are just getting started, I recommend beginning with free video editing software. However, if your budget allows, premium options like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut can deliver exceptional results as well. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Take a close look at your footage and remove any segments that don't add to the overall captivation of your video. Since the style of content we are creating is particularly impactful, a single image suffices. Focus on crafting text that is both compelling and engaging, and ensure the music complements the message effectively. This minimalist approach can often be more powerful in delivering your motivational content. For a seamless viewing experience, it is vital to include captions in your video, ensuring that viewers can follow the content even without sound. Many video editing software options offer an auto captions feature, much like the one I am currently using. With this feature, all you need to do is click auto caption and it will automatically generate captions for your video. You can then customize these captions to create a visually pleasing, word-by-word display that synchronizes perfectly with your narration. Once you have completed the editing process and is satisfied with your video, click on the export option to download your video, making it ready for sharing across all your social media platforms. This initial step can help you garner views and potentially earn money. Here is an extra tip. Aim to post a video daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. This frequency boosts your chances of reaching a broader audience through the platform's algorithm. Additionally, consider building your personal brand with a unique logo and name. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide for creating motivational videos with a dark theme tailored for your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced content creator, these guidelines will aid you in crafting compelling and inspiring content. I am eager to hear your thoughts. Are you considering venturing into the world of creating motivational videos? Do you find the process of crafting motivational videos to be straightforward and user-friendly? Your insights are highly valued, so please feel free to share your comments below. Your unique ideas and personal experiences can provide valuable guidance to those contemplating a similar creative journey.
Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control, and some things are not.
Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.